A little bit of spray behind each piece. Give yourself a good joint. Well, that went a bit wrong, didn't it? It's stuck open. Nice one. Managed to get it all sprayed anyway. I'll sort that out later. Meanwhile, get this in before it does dry. Ah, a little bit I've missed. So I have to go for it. A little bit. Still not wanting to seal up, is it? What's going on there then? Now I've got spray foam everywhere and the spring has just belted out the back of it. Anyway, sort that out later. Once you've got them in, then nail it up. You should be looking at 2 or 3 nails per piece. No, for 3 to be honest. Wall is that. After that little adventure, I'm now going to leave that to dry for a little while because that is sticky and it's horrible and it's everywhere. I don't want to touch it, get all over yourself. Horrible stuff. But happens, doesn't it? Sometimes these things happen. So next, while I'm waiting for that to dry up a bit, and it won't take long in this weather, I can put in the insulation along there and up that wall there to make sure we get a good solid connection. So I'll go and get that. So my next thing is to insulate this this bit here and these bits to stop gaps in the thing and stop possible drafts. And it comes in big reels like this, and this is called jute. I'm not sure what that is in English. It's probably flax or something. It's a natural material. All you do is run it down, and I've got blooming spray foam everywhere, and staple it in place. Right, so ja postaram w specjalną sztukę, czy da? Sekundę? Raz, dwa, trzy. Czy da?